What is the difference, and I think you've been around some icons, some great people. What's the difference between a good VC firm and a great one?
That is a question, Jabari, I have been really pondering on in terms of going from a fairly decent firm to a franchise where folks will know you on one name basis. So I think Zeal will become that very intentional, what we call. But it's I think when you look at both liquidity events, companies that are becoming market leaders, that allows you to gain credibility, that you have the ability to go out and pick and help scale early stage companies. I think it's also how you treat your team, and so fostering a culture that allows folks to climb. Whether you're an analyst and your ambition is to become a partner, for example. And then 3 is showing the market that you continuing to produce thought leadership. And what I mean by that is, again, we're a category specific investment firm. And so it's important that we're constantly sharing to the market our latest views across our categories: fintech, healthcare, and the future of learning and work. And so thought leadership is also critically important.
Yeah, love that. I thought you were going to throw the hot Nasir in there somewhere. Like, hey, one of the greats, you also have to have the hot Nasir at the coffee.
Well, I would say you have to bring your full self. And I think that is, for me, it is, I love things like the hot Nasir. I love vinyl. I love to run. I love basketball.
Yeah.
There are folks in our team who love to Zumba dance. They love to swim. It's subjective, but it's important for me as a leader to create space so they can perform at the highest clip. And so that to me is part of building the best culture, which is hard in venture.
Yeah,
It is.
It is.